Hi everyone, it's Yvonne here from Calabria Property Services, and we've had quite an interesting day on the terrace renovation today. They've had to try and get the mini excavator onto the terrace to try and help get rid of the rubbish and also do a little bit more demolition. And as we've said before, with all the steps that we have coming down to the house, obviously that's posed a little bit of a difficulty. So as you can see behind me, there's a small path which actually is below the terrace, and this is actually the path that takes you to the swimming pool eventually. So what they've had to try and do, or what they have been doing, is bring the excavator along here. So they measured the excavator, the width of the path, and it just about went through. There was a couple of little places where they've had to take a little bit of the railing down, but obviously they'll put that back afterwards. And they've had to get it up the steps, which, as you can see behind me there, they've had to get the excavator up those. And also the gate wasn't quite wide enough, the gate opening, so they've had to demolish some of the gate, which we were going to do anyway. So obviously that's just been done to help them to get the excavator onto the terrace.